He's never gonna come. I already caught somebody. It's done. I don't know. Let's go somewhere. Let's go to his house. Hey, dude. Wait, how do you got here so fast? I live here? Dude, why even call me? Why did you go to the room? Sorry. What do you want to do? I don't know. I want to burn for you, okay? Burn you, okay? Get in the hat! What do you want? Mom, go get me some food or something. I'm too lazy. Die, son. Die. You killed him! Die! I'm the last one standing. Teabags. Teabags on him. I'm a pretty bird. You're not a freaking pretty bird. Die, pretty bird. Hey, I have crazy hair. I hear you. What, you watch it? I'm a cool kid. Yeah.